I have here a nice and useful little project. This electric heater comes out of a local store that has been flooded. So you can see it's all dirty. This thing is been completely underwater. Now I think maybe I can rescue it so it can be useful to dry up some smaller places in the store or in anybody else's house or car or whatever. So I'm gonna take it apart, clean it up and see what we've got. Rustinox doing something useful. That would be a first. Still water coming out. Okay, put it in the sunshine. These are special screws in triangle. I don't have the right bits for it. That's stupid. This looks better. Oh, it used to be black. Plastic shit. Triangular screw heads. That's the problem. I managed to get them out with a very small bit. It works a little bit. It's not really professional, but it works. Got you. Inside, to me, looks alright. There's a little bit of mud in it, of course, but maybe it still works. I'm gonna check with my multimeter and see what we've got in here. I installed my two wires here. I think they call the probes, isn't it? And this is the thermostatic. So you hear the click. Now the circuit is open. Circuit is closed. So this one seems to work. That's always a good sign. Now we're gonna try the other switch. Of course, during the test, the thing is unplugged. Okay. This one going in. So contact, okay. Oi. Now it indicates 2.5, normally should be 0, but it's because the battery is almost dead, that's why. So this one seems to work too. Okay, I think that looks good. I took it even a bit more apart to clean the resistance here. And the fan blades, all this starts to looking good. The motor has a little bit of rust here, but I'm not sure it's new. So I think I'm gonna assemble the thing and see if it works. I installed it here on my bench grinder corner, because here I have a plug that goes directly in the electric box. This thing is 3000 watts, that's a lot. Let's see what happens. Nothing blows, that's good. Yes. Suppose it needs a little time to warm up because it's still cold air coming out. All right. Looks like it's ready to go again. Hold. Right. Now that I know that it works, let's reassemble the thing and make it look like an electric heater again. It's still a little bit hot. Man. Triangle screw heads. What a stupid idea. Put it on the front. Okay. All right. This thing is ready to go again. So let's put it in the car and bring it back to its owner. Ready to go and drive some houses.